May gesture daw 'to, sabi sa akin eh. 'Pag wala, dire-diretso lang ako na kanta. Kailangan mag-ano tayo. Yan, 1 minuto na lang guys. Sana mag-stay kayo hanggang huli. At ako'y teka lang. Yan. So, bebe! Yan guys, 1 minute to go. Taas ba ng echo ko? Hindi naman, di ba? Sakto lang. Hi, Tita Kulits! Tita Kulits! Hey! Hola. Mami! Yun, wala nang. Buti naman wala. Sige. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang kanta. Ay, tuloy-tuloy ko lang kayong haharanain. Yan, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga at magandang gabi sa inyo sa iba. O madaling araw. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo rito sa aking LH. Mag-start na po tayo. Ako nga po pala si Leander, ang hard rock ng Sugar Rolls. Yun, hard rock. Sana all. And sana mag-enjoy kayo sa aking mga kaawitin. Ooh, yeah. Our little conversations turning into little sweet sensations, and they're only getting sweeter every time. Our friendly get together, turning into visions of forever. If I just believe this foolish heart of mine, I can't pretend that I'm just a friend. 'Cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. Gaganon ba ako? I think I'm falling in love with you, and I just don't want to do. I'm afraid you turn away, but I'll say it anyway. I think I'm falling for you. Para sa'yo pala. Charot. I'm falling for you. Hi, Queen! Whenever we're together, wishing that goodbyes would turn to never. 'Cause with you is where I always wanna be. Whenever I'm beside you, all I really want to do is hold you. No one else but you has meant this much to me. I can't pretend that I'm just a friend, 'cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. I think I'm falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm afraid you turn away, but I'll say it anyway. I think I'm falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm afraid you turn away, but I'll say it anyway. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling, falling for you. I'm falling, falling for you. I don't know what to do. Yeah, yeah. I'm falling for you. Yun, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-gifts and mga naglalaro. Sana manalo kayo, guys. Sana mag-stay kayo hanggang matapos yung LH ko. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-double tap. Guys, yung mga hindi pa po nakapollow sa akin, sana i-follow niyo po ako. Then I follow you back po. Maraming salamat, guys. Next song na po tayo. Salamat po sa mga nagpunta po. Lift your hand, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry. No need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll say through the bad times, even if I had to bet you every day, my girl, you get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody is a happy ending story, is a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Thank you po everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you for double tapping. Thank you for gifting. Thank you for playing. Yun, maraming salamat guys. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And sana makinig kayo hanggang huli. Hanggang matapos po yung live ko. Thank you. In a world where everybody is a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and scared of the day you get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears you cried. Do-do-do-do. Thank you po. Do-do-do-do. Thank you sa mga nag-like ko. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Let me hear you sing it. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Ay, thank you. Hello po, Shell. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng agency na dumaan and nagpunta. Hi, Ate Tin. Thank you. Kay Ate ko. Thank you, Ate ko. Kay Mami Yone. Thank you. Thank you, Sugars family. Maraming salamat po. Hello po everyone, hi everyone. Guys, papfollow po ako sa mga hindi pa po nakapollow sa akin. Next song na po tayo. Thank you guys. Tagalog naman. Hi everyone! Hello po! Ikaw lang may sabi na ako'y mahal mo rin. At sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit ay malayo? Thanks for following. May kasakang iba. Di ba nila alam tayo'y nagsumpaan? Ilang ako na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y thank you po. Kahit anong mangyari, really, I wish pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo pa rin. Kahit ano pa, I wish ang sabi nila ikaw pa rin mahal. Maghintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot man ako'y nasa langit na. Thank you po. Thank you everyone. Thank you for the gifts. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabing ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan. Ay lang ako na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y kailangan. kita. Pakikiusap kay bata. Sana matuloy yung pag-ano mo na ika'y hanapin at sabing ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan. Thank you everyone. Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lang. Para akin lang talaga rin siya, no? Para sa'yo nga pala. Abutin mo na. Charot. Thank you everyone. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng nandito. Sa lahat po ng sa lahat ng agency. Maraming salamat po. Especially sa agency namin. Sa Girls Family and Agency. Maraming salamat guys. Sa mga tita ko, thank you po. Sa mga bigay na hayati ko, maraming salamat. And sa mga sa Dewey Donut family. Thank you. Manager, thank you. Sayang din naman ang purwa. Lagi lang namang sisingin sa tuwing tayo'y magkasama. Init. Bakit pa kailangan ng rosas kung marami namang nag-aalay sa'yo? Upo na lang natawin, maghintay ng pagkakataon. Hayaan na lang silang nanarapan na maligaw sa'yo. Idaraan na lang kita sa awitin kong ito. Pwede ba yun? Sabay ang tugtog ng gitara. Ayoko kasi makipagsiksikan eh. Daanin na lang sa kanta. At na lang sa gitara. Ay, Kenshin. Namiss ko na yung yung pabitin mo na kanta. Mapapago lang sa kakatingin, marami namang nakaharang. Aawin na lang at magpaparinig ang lahat ng aking nadarama. Pagbibigyan na lang silang nandarapan na manligaw sa'yo. Idaraan na lang kita sa awitin kong ito. Sabay ang tugtog ng gitara. Idaraan na lang sa gitara. Sayang wala yung gitara dito. Gitarahan niyo sana kayo. Tadam! Welcome back po. Sa lahat po na nandito, inulit ko po maraming salamat po sa mga admin, sa Superior Agency, thank you po sa SQ and sa A+. Magkandarapan na maligaw sa'yo. Idaraan na lang kita sa awitin kong ito. Sabay ang tugtog ng gitara. Yes guys, follow nyo po. Idaraan na lang. Hello everyone, maraming salamat po. Sana mag-stay kayo hanggang matapos po yung LH ko. Sa Superior Agency, sa lahat po ng agency na nandito, maraming salamat po. Gitara. mahaba pa, mahaba pa. Next na tayo agad guys. Thank you po. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sana hindi masakit sa tenga, no? Dahil nandito ka para sa ito. Hindi ko na i-mention yung pangalan mo, ah. I can't count the times I almost said it was on my mind, but I didn't. Just the other day, I wrote down all the things I say, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been wondering. So it goes nothing, in case you didn't know. Baby, I'm crazy about you, and I will be lying if I say that I can live this life without you. And even though I don't tell you all the time, you have my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, kung sakaling di mo alam. The way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that didn't. There was something about that kiss, girl, it did me, got me thinking, oh, I'm thinking, one of the things that I've been feeling. It's time you hear it, in case you didn't know. Baby, I'm crazy about you, and I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. And even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you got all of me, and I belong to you. Yeah, you're my everything. In case you didn't know, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. And even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. Yeah, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, no, no, no. In case you didn't know. Thank you everyone. Thank you for staying. Thank you po sa lahat na nandito, sa lahat po ng agency. Maraming salamat po. Next song na po tayo. Huwag na natin patagalin. Oh my goodness, last song na agad ako.
Covers PH.
Wag na. Hi everyone. Nang minsan ay naranasan ko ang mag-isa, pilit ko na niliwat ang tulad niya, na dati ay mahal na nakita ka at nasabi kong ikaw na nga Yung magbabago. Nakita ka at nasabi kong ikaw na nga ang hinahanap at dinarasal ng makapiling ko. Ngayon'y naririto, isang katulad mo na sa'kin ay nagmamahal ng buong tapat. Nangakong aking lamang pag-ibig na wagas ang siyang naramdaman. And ay nagmumula sa'yo sa puso ko at kapwa ay hindi Hindi. Hindi. Hindi nga. Ngayon'y naririto, isang katulad mo na sa'kin ay nagmamahal ng buong tapat. Nangakong aking lamang pag-ibig na wagas siyang naramdaman. Yan ay nagmumula sa'yo sa puso ko at kapwa ay hindi magbabago. Baka naman kasi may dahilan. Ay guys, maraming salamat. Wow, totoo ba to? 348. Totoo ba yan? And guys, this is my last song. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. By the way guys, ako nga pala si Leander, ang inyong winter voice from Sure Girls Family. Di ko man maamin, ikaw ay mahalaga sa'kin. Di ko maisip sa pagtulog, ikaw ang panaginip.